So I got a telegram message from this chick, Michaela Naranjo. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of a due diligence on this chick and this company. So just to like alert you of the different types of investments there are out there. So make 3% today. Okay. Red flag already. So we're going to the website and we go check it out. And the first thing I'm looking for is the address. So there's no physical address whatsoever. You can get hold of them on live chat, but there's no physical address. When you go to contact us, again, no physical address. When you go to investment packages, this is the next red flag. There is no proof of trading. They say that they're trading. There is no proof of trading. Any trader, okay, that is a good trader, is proud of their results. And what they have is they've got FX Blue results, like what we've got, okay, audited, independently audited results. So FX Blue, there's two ways you can get audited results in trading. The first way is to use FX Blue. The second way is to use MyFXBook. Now, I use FX Blue because it gives me a lot more statistics and drill downs that where I can look at my account and other people can look at my account and see what I'm doing on my Forex trading account. This is very, very important. So before you give money to anybody, okay, you need to be checking, are they regulated? Are they regulated by a regulation board? Like in South Africa, we've got the FSCA, the Financial Services Conduct Authority. In other countries, it's the FS or the FCA, Financial Conduct Authority. So they need to be regulated. They need to have a financial services license, okay, to actually take money from the public. Nobody can take money from the public and trade on your behalf unless they are licensed. If you want to lose your money, then go ahead and do that and give it to a company that is not regulated and does not have a license. Okay? So that's the next thing. The next red flag is this 3%, 15%. What? In 48 hours, 35% in 72 hours, and 65% in 96 hours. Okay, this is just the biggest load of nonsense I've ever seen. So let's just go to the compound interest calculator and put here 90. Okay, so it's 96 divided by 24. So it's 4 days. Okay, so it's basically, let's do that then, 65 divided by 4. So it's 16.25% income per day. Daily, and we're going to do this for one month. Okay, 1 month. So you're going to take $100, you're going to invest it, and you're going to have 19 million billion gazillion percentages. Okay, you're going to turn $100 to 594. Let's do it for 12 months and see what happens. Okay, it's $194 million in a year. Like, does that really sound realistic to you people? Okay, it's ridiculous. It's insane. It's not possible. Okay, I mean, if you did this for let's say 5 years, there is no money. The money that they're showing here doesn't exist on planet Earth. Okay, it's just ridiculous. It can't happen. Can never happen. Okay, that's 16% daily. Let's do it at 3% daily, and we'll do it for 1 year. Even that, okay, it is possible, but it comes at very high risk when you're trading. So there, it's a 239,351% return in 30 days. Like, what the hell? Okay, let's do it for 12 months. Okay, here you're talking about $239,000. You take $100, and after 12 months, it becomes $239,000. Again, it is possible in the Forex world with leverage, but you're talking about very high risk, and the chances of you blowing your account, probably 98%. Okay, if we do this for example 5 years, again, ridiculous numbers, impossible numbers. This money is not available on planet Earth, and it's just impossible to make. So before you give your money to some scam artist, on the internet, do more due diligence. Check your facts. The next thing that I want is I want a Google Meet. Okay, I want a Google Meet like with Martin and myself, okay? Our faces are available. You can see our faces, all right? And you can see that we're legitimate people. Martin works for me. I'm just going to unmute him. Martin, I'm doing my video. So I just want you to tell people what you do and what you are to me in my life and my business.
I'm an irritation to you.
No, you're not, man.
I'm a degenerate and a disappointment.
Okay, but seriously.
So I do all your website, your creatives for website. I look after your clients. I'm onboarding your new clients.
And how do we do that? What's the process?
Oh, so we start with a discovery call just to get a bit more information about a client and to determine whether A, we're going to be able to assist them, and B, whether they're a good fit for us and whether we're a good fit for them. After the discovery call, if it seems like they're a client that we can assist to help reach their goals, we move over to a Google Meet.
What's the purpose of that Google Meet?
So it's a face-to-face so that you can see we're real people in South Africa. We're not sitting in a call center somewhere trying to scam you. We show you live results that we're getting and our clients are getting. We show you a little bit about the robot and what the settings are and so forth, so that the client has the option to understand what they are investing their money in and understand what's involved and understand what kind of returns they can expect.
100%. So I'm going to mute you and I'm going to carry on with my due diligence on this website. Cool. So the other thing that you need to check is, okay, can you do a Google Meet with this person or a video call where you can see the person and you can speak to a real person, okay? And then the next thing that has flagged me is this 2023, the copyright 2023. This means that the website has been up since 2023. So what I do is I go to Whois, okay, I can type it into Google Whois, look up, and then you get to GoDaddy and you go to the Whois database, you put in their data, the URL of the company that you're thinking of joining, and here it plainly says here, created in 2024. So already they've lied on their page. That already says to me red flags, okay? Something to worry about. The next thing that you need to see is who owns this domain. Is it owned by a real person? Okay, no information, hidden organization, hidden phone number, hidden fax. Does this look like a company email address? I mean, if you wanted to invest with any financial institution, Investec, Liberty Life, Sanlam, or if you're in another country, you know who your main investment institutions are. They've got real proper email addresses. They're not hiding it. Oh, we've got an address here. This is fantastic. They're in America. So we got a Google Maps, okay? And then we got a Google Maps and we go and we plug in their address. And then we can enlarge. It'll take us to America. There's the pin. Okay, and we can then see what the address is. It says Navy Federal Wellness Center. Does this look like a financial institution to you? That's ridiculous. Absolutely absurd, because that's exactly where it is. Okay, that's what they're saying to us. That this is what the address is. Let's go back there and let's go see. So that's the building. Let's go check again. Okay. No, that's ridiculous. I mean, that's not correct. This looks like a shopping center. It's a retail shopping center where there's a restaurant, Navy Federal Quivida Center, Wellness Center, great clips, and orange something. Okay, there's no investment company called in Stella Bridge Investments. So that's the due diligence. Red flags everywhere. Looks like a load of nonsense. If you want to lose your money, 100% invest in this company. Good luck. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe to my channel to get more information. And if you want to know more about my robot and how I trade, and you want to check our independently audited results, check in the description of the video and we'll answer you, and come to our website, come check out what we're doing, and we'd love to help you in a legitimate, honest, way where you can earn money it's responsible trading, where you look after your own money. We teach you how to take charge of your money, be financially independent and not be dependent on other people. So that's for you, and it sounds like that's what you want to do. You want to maybe like be independent and trade yourself, or learn about finance, learn to trade. I'll show you what's also good about us is our Discord community, where we've got a community of over 1,000 people that we mentor. Let's go and show you here. There, we've got 1,097 people that we mentor. I do daily chart analysis. I tell you what I'm doing. It's just my journal. There's no trading advice here because I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot give you financial advice. What I do is I teach you how to read a Forex chart. That's what I teach you to do. Then you can make your own educated decisions of whether you want to trade, place a trade, not trade, and do whatever you want to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Cheers.